Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in Tampa. We're here for a little charity work we're doing for this church. We're gonna be doing their front sidewalk and a couple walkways they got up here. They actually are located not too far from me, like 15 minutes away. And we're gonna be demonstrating a new product, new equipment, I should say. So therefore, this was the perfect spot to go ahead and do something for free and test the product out at the same time. So I got that Surface Max that that I'm gonna give away, and I've already put it together. I'm gonna put the video out so you guys can see how I put it together. But I figure I go ahead and do a long form video as we're cleaning this church entrance and front sidewalks, and show you guys how to operate the surface cleaner as well, so you can get a gist of it. So the one is going through right now. He's pretty much pre-treating all the concrete for me, and then we're gonna use the surface cleaner. We are gonna use his equipment today because the surface cleaner's tips, the nozzles, is set up for 4 GPM, and he has a 4 GPM pressure washer, so we're gonna use it on that. If I would have had to use it with mine, I would have had to change the tips, and I don't have any on hand right now because I don't use the 19-inch with the 8 GPM much, so I would have had to take the tips off of that one and then swap it over, but I didn't feel like going through that. The one's gonna use this pressure washer to get it done. So I'm gonna show you guys the job. If you haven't yet, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for new content. And y'all stay tuned. I'll show you the job. So like I said, the one is starting to pre-treat. Before we start, this concrete was pretty bad, so it's good to put a pre-treat on here to loosen up the dirt, algae, mildew, whatever is on here, so it's easy to surface clean it. So this is the church here. It's a Spanish church. We're gonna be doing the sidewalks, and you guys can see the sidewalks is pretty dark. The one has already pre-treated this right here. It was darker, starting to get lighter right now. You can see here under this tree, it's pretty bad. I'll show you guys the front entrance. This is the one's rig. It's pre-treating right now with his 12-volt system, and we're gonna use this 4 GPM pressure washer. This is my truck, my new truck, my new baby. Thing looking good, y'all. What y'all think? Got that thing sitting up. But yeah, the one is pre-treating the concrete. Right when he gets done over here, we're gonna go ahead and start working on that side over there, because that's been dwelling for at least 10 minutes. All right, we got our surface cleaner ready to go. This thing is beefy, man. Stainless steel, 21-inch. Has a water broom in the front, so you can rinse when you're done. So you're gonna have one side for the operation of the surface cleaner, and one side, which is this side, for the water broom. It's gonna be pretty cool to use, man. Never had anything like this. Hey, when you come back down, try to walk a little faster. right, you guys, so the one just got done cleaning this section of sidewalk. As you guys seen, I didn't speed the video up. He's walking at a pretty good pace for a 4 GPM pressure washer. You know, we're gonna clean it off now with the water broom and rinse it and see how it works. All right, go ahead. Thing is pretty sweet, man. Look at that. Pretty sweet. Nice clean concrete. We're gonna also try it to see if we can do it with both the water broom and the surface cleaner at the same time. I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna ask, you know, if it works like that. So I'm not sure. This is my first time, so we're gonna both see at the same time. So the one going side to side with it now, trying something different. We're just playing around with it to see which one works the best. You can do whatever you want to do with it. But that is pretty cool, man. They have that thing in the front. What you guys think? Like I said before, the concrete was pretty bad, so therefore, you know, you can post treat to get rid of any of the tinting stains from this tree right here. So you can see right here, we got little stripes, but you know, you're gonna get that when the concrete is super dirty anyway. You just post treat, and you know, everything will look uniform when you're done. All right, now we're gonna try it with the water broom. You wanna try it over here on the dirty piece? Let's try it on the dirty piece. Go that way with it and see what happens. We're gonna try it with both and see what happens. Oh, it doesn't clean as fast, right? Yeah, the water is getting dispersed through two different hoses. So you're splitting your GPM, so you're not gonna get the same amount of flow with that. We're doing the water broom and also doing the surface cleaner at the same time. This concrete right here is pretty bad as well, you guys can see. But he's moving pretty good, you know, this is a 4 GPM, guys, look. y'all, we're wrapping up. We're almost done. The one is rinsing the front right now. We're gonna have the full street, like I said. The water broom on that surface cleaner works good, but in my honest opinion, 4 GPM is not enough to really see what it can really do. I feel like if I was using my 8 GPM pressure washer on it, it would rinse way better than what it did with the 4 GPM. It cleaned fine with the 4 GPM, but the water broom in the front, because you gotta think about it, we got 3 tips in the front, those white tips, splitting out of just that 4 GPM, so you're not gonna get as much flow that you really want. So it'll still work. That's just my opinion on it. If you have an 8 GPM, it's gonna work better for you. The surface skin is pretty sturdy and well made for sure. I don't think you guys gonna have any problems with it breaking down on you. Obviously, you know, down the line you probably have to change the the nozzles, the wear and tear stuff, like the sort of swivel, the wheels on it. That's things you have to do. I have to do that to my other surface cleaners as well. But it's a nice surface cleaner. Somebody's gonna enjoy it because I'm giving it away for free. And you know, I showed you guys how to put it together, so you can put yours together if you ever order one. Surface Max, I appreciate you guys for sending me the surface cleaner and everything else that you have sent me the last couple months. So if you guys could, go check out the website, pick up something from there. They got ball valves, they got surface cleaners, they got guns, many other things for pressure washing. All right, this is the aftermath, y'all. You can see the concrete is looking good. Post treated everything. It's drying up, it's still wet. The church is good to go, y'all. Yes, sir. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like and leave a comment and hit the bell for new content, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Peace.